Designed by Lindsay Weimer from RMW Architecture Interiors, the 18th floor at 50 California Street, located in the heart of San Francisco's Central Business District, was originally specified with another product. CBF Electrical Contractors worked with Kevin Cooper and Marianne Berger from Associated Lighting Representatives to support the tension LED system. RMW Architects Interiors was open to the request, and the team from ALR and TLS built a quote for 3 60 square foot white 3000K LED panels. The tension LED system, backlighting stretch PVC, renders uniform light diffusion to the surface area. The recessed panels were installed by CBF Electrical with ease. Now, the 18th floor at Pearson 50 California looks great. Great job, Marianne.